Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian meringue buttercream. First, gather your ingredients, including 4 large egg whites, 225 grams of granulated sugar, 60 milliliters of water, and 450 grams of unsalted butter. This stable and silky frosting is perfect for cakes and cupcakes, offering a less sweet profile than traditional buttercreams. We will guide you through each precise step to achieve a perfectly smooth and delicious result. To begin, combine 175 grams of granulated sugar with 60 milliliters of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture until it reaches a precise temperature of 115 degrees Celsius or 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, whip 4 large egg whites to soft peaks, gradually adding the remaining 50 grams of sugar. Once the syrup is ready, slowly pour it in a steady stream into the whipping egg whites. Continue whipping until the meringue is glossy, thick, and completely cool to the touch. Now it is time to incorporate the butter. Make sure your 450 grams of unsalted butter is at a soft room temperature. Add the butter to the cooled meringue, 1 piece at a time, mixing well after each addition. Do not be alarmed if the mixture appears curdled or soupy at first. This is a normal stage. Continue beating on medium-high speed for several minutes. The buttercream will eventually come together, transforming into a beautifully smooth, light, and creamy consistency. Patience is key here. For the final touch, whip your Italian meringue buttercream on high speed for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This step incorporates more air, making it incredibly light and fluffy. Now is the perfect time to add your desired flavorings. A classic choice is 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. You can also fold in melted and cooled chocolate, fruit purees, or coffee extract. This versatile buttercream can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, or frozen for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.